Hello YouTubers, I'm Parwiz and this is our 17th video in Pyside2 GUI development. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create font combo box in Pyside2. So this is from the previous example. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a QCompleter in Pyside2. So let me just copy the window code and paste it in here. This is just a simple window, and let me change the title to Pyside2 completer and change this to 300 and 250. Okay, so if you run this is just a simple window. Okay, now we need some first import some classes. So we need a QVBox layout, and we need a QCompleter, sorry. Also we need a QLineEdit from Pyside2. Okay, now I'm going to create a new method in here, so in this section, and I call it div create completer. First thing, we need to create a VBox layout. So QVBox layout, it's a vertical box layout, because we are going to contain our widgets with the vertical box layout. Okay, so now let me create some names. So for my completer I have already written this, so let me paste it in here. So these are the names that I'm using. Let me just copy and paste this in here. So or in here, no problem. We need to just so I have some country names, and I want to create a QCompleter for this. So now we need to create the object of completer, so QCompleter, and and we are going to add the names in here. Now we need to create a LineEdit self.line edit QLineEdit object, and we need to set the completer to our LineEdit. So self.LineEdit dot set completer, and we are going to add the completer to our LineEdit. And at the end we need to add our LineEdit to the VBox. So VBox.add widget and self.LineEdit. And at the end we need to set our layout to our main window. So self.setLayout VBox. So this is the simple code, and we have just created a method, and we have created a VBox layout. We have created some names. We have created the object of QCompleter, and we have added these names in the QCompleter in here. After that we have created the object of QLineEdit, and after that we have set our completer to our LineEdit. Okay, now we need to you need to call your this create completer in here, your this method self.create completer. Okay, now let me just run this. Okay, so now if I write a name, you can see now I have a nice completer in here for the A. So let me just write another name. You can see China, Chicago, and I have a completer. Let me write B. For B I don't have. I have just India and Indonesia. And for example P, I have just Pakistan. So like this I have created a nice completer. If you have any question, please let me know. I will add a source code to the video description. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also share the video.